Wheatstone bridge. So currently we are only discussing about resistive circuits. Capacitors and inductors we have still not yet introduced. Okay, so impedance will also be, we'll talk about it only after we talk about capacitor and inductor. Okay, so here we will see a resistance Wheatstone bridge only. Okay, so what is the Wheatstone bridge? This is going to be like this. So this is also one circuit analysis technique, right? Because it is making the analysis easier. Anything which makes analysis easier, it is a circuit analysis technique. Okay, so we have the resistors like this, and this resistor we will take as R5. So what is the condition? If R1 by R3 is equal to R2 by R4, R1 by R3 is equal to R2 by R4. Okay, or in other manner you can also write R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4, right? It is one and the same condition. So if this condition is satisfied, then bridge is said to be balanced. So what is meant by balanced? This means that the current through the resistor R5 will be 0, meaning I is equal to 0. Okay. Now sometimes what happens is the Wheatstone bridge will be present, but it will be looking like something else. Okay. So in order to see what are the different forms, we will just take a few examples. Okay. So here we have 3 resistors like this, and one resistor will be like this, and another resistor is going to be like this. Okay, so this is a Wheatstone bridge. If you take this as A, B, and this is C and D. Okay, and resistors we can take as R1, R2, R3, R4, and this is going to be the bridge R5. Okay, so this you can draw as this. So here you have A and B, and here if you have C and D, then between A and C you have R1, between A and D you have R2, between C and B you have here R3. So here you have R3, R4, and this is R5. Okay, so you can verify it. Next, another form we have. So this is going to look like this. So basically these are all same connections only. That's what I'm trying to make a point here. These are all the same connections only, just that they are looking differently. Okay. So this is A, B, here also R1, R2, R3, R4. This is going to be the bridge. Okay. So just remember which one is the bridge.